Here at Angela Kraus Ford Fleet, we have a brand new, fresh off the boat from Spain, 2023 Transit Connect. This is a short 105 wheelbase, XLT trim, swing out rear door, Transit Connect. On the inside, this has the LED lighting for the cargo department. No bulkhead or shelving yet. We can install all that for you here in-house at Angela Kraus Ford Fleet. You do get these cargo hooks along the floor. Get a little overhead shelf up top. This has the front and rear sensing system. What's up? Wheels. Side slide door here. Side slide door on the driver's side also. Let's check out up front. Get the sink up here. USB and lightning charger here with the 12 volt. There's a shot of the overhead shelf here. Some paperwork up there. Manual slide seats. It's for cargo. There she is. Nothing fancy. Little work van. Anything else you need for work, like I mentioned, ladder rack, shelving, bulkhead, any type of outfit, we can do all that here in-house at Angela Kraus Ford Fleet. We are in Atlanta. If you want to drive her home, we can pick you up at the airport, or I can put her on a flatbed, send her anywhere in the country for you. Our fleet department is 404-729-1374. All the information for this Transit Connect and our contact info will be down in the description.